Since Godot 4, there is continuous work to improve the flexibility of the user interface. So until now, you could only place the different docks in Godot in predefined positions, but since version 4, you can make them floating and have them as separate windows, and this is true of the script editor as well. This is what we'll see here. So to make one of the docks float on the side, the things that are in the side drawers in the editor, you can click on the 3 vertical dots and click Make Floating. And this will create a window that by default is not going to stay on top. So if you click on the editor, it's going to go in the background. So you want to, on most systems, right-click on the window title and select Always on Top if you want it to stay on top. And then it's not going to lose focus or go in the background when you go on the editor. Though the main use case, for popping things out as windows is generally to place them on separate displays, as I'm doing here, which you can, of course, do. To dock this window back into the editor, you just have to close the window. You can use a shortcut for that, and it's going to go back to its original position. Not everything can be popped out in Godot 4.1, but you can pop out the script editors. So there are 2 kinds. One is the script main screen, which allows you to code in GDScript or write JSON and those kinds of things. It has an icon in the top right with 2 floating windows that you can click to pop out the script editor and then move it to a separate display. This is perfect for working on scripts. There again, if you want to dock it back in the interface, you just close the window and it will be back in its original slot. And so there's another editor for scripts, the shader editor. Let me look for a shader here that I'm going to open. And you will find the same icon just in a slightly different place. And this allows you to pop out this bottom panel, and there again, to place your shader editor on another display, full screen, so that you can tweak your shader and see the result in the editor in real time. As of Godot 4.1, you can get these out, but you can't pop every single part of the interface out. Godot was designed with single displays in mind, with small laptop screens, with tablets. It runs on Android, for example. So it has limited flexibility. So besides that, what you can still do is place different docks in different positions in these predefined slots, or pop them out as windows, and that's it. This video is sponsored by Godot game devs like you who invest in learning with GDQuest. Remember, for a limited time, you can pre-order our Godot 4 courses below launch price.